Sometimes it happens that there is some disease happening to the parts of the kidney like infection, injury or restricted blood flow to kidney, some infection of the glomerulus. So, in that case filtration will not take place in our kidneys. So, in order to save the lives of those who are suffering from kidney problems, there is a mechanism called artificial kidney or hemodialysis. Hemodialysis works through the principle of dialysis. There is the artificial kidneys contain a number of tubes. They are semi-permeable and they are suspended in a tank filled with dialysing fluid. This fluid has the same osmotic pressure as blood, except that it is devoid of nitrogenous waste. So, the fluid which is filled inside this tank is called dialysis fluid, and it is having the same composition like blood, except that fluid is not having nitrogenous waste. Now, the blood from the patient whose nitrogenous waste has to be removed is been taken from the artery and pumped into these tubes which are semi-permeable. So, the blood contains nitrogenous waste and the dialysing fluid does not contain nitrogenous waste. So, that is why from the blood nitrogenous waste will diffuse outside towards the dialysing fluid. The dialysing fluid will be refilled using fresh dialysing solution. Now, the blood is ready to be entering back into the veins of the patient. So, the blood which is free of nitrogenous waste will be taken back towards the patient's blood through vein. So, this is the mechanism behind artificial kidney. The difference between the artificial kidney and the actual kidney is that in the artificial kidney reabsorption does not take place, whereas in the real kidneys as the filtrate flows through the kidney tubules, useful substances will be reabsorbed by the blood present in the capillaries, and because of that reason the final urine will be in the real kidneys, the final urine will be 2 liters, whereas in case of the artificial kidney reabsorption facility is not present, only the removal of nitrogenous waste is present.